All right, guys. Third day out here. Had 2 really good days. Friday and Saturday after Thanksgiving. My boy Anthony with Hook 'em Hard Fishing told me I needed to start uploading more videos to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna get this thing a go again. I ain't had the drive to do so, but I have been doing well, so we're gonna give it a shot. It's overcast, glass water, slack tide. Might be tough today, but we're gonna try it. Coming up to my first little drain. Then I'm gonna turn around after this if it don't produce like it usually does and go to the big lake, or the bigger lake. It's not a huge lake, but it's closer to the ship channel. Produces a good amount of fish, trout, redfish. Crazy thing is, I've been out here 3 days and have yet to even get a bite from a flounder. Everybody like, oh, flounder this, flounder that, flounder this. I'm not targeting them or nothing, but still would think that you'd get a bite, or at least pull one in that sadly you'd have to let go, because Texas, but it is what it is. I don't keep fish anyways. I stuff a flounder every now and then, but I don't keep fish. All right, let's see. This little spot's producing. If I get to the bottom. Get off of that. That was a trout. Come on, baby, I know you're here. At least one. A little hit. Didn't commit. Maybe it was trash. Let's go try the middle a little bit. Sometimes they like to sit out by the drain. Just pick off the bait and go back to deeper water. That was a bad hook set. Oh, wow. I was just talking about a flounder. It's hilarious. Calm down, buddy. Check him out. Literally just talking about it. Salty head. 3JD swirl. No, that's just chartreuse. Let's go. Let's get him back in the water. Quick picture. I need you to open your mouth, buddy. I saw you flap. Let's go, first fish of the day. I'll take it. Baby flounder, didn't even measure him. I know it was undersized, can't keep him anyways. It's probably like 12, 13. Feel good though. Let's get it. Stuff keeps blowing up on this grass line. Not blowing up. Might be bait, but bait might be running from something. I'm right across from that little spot. Just caught that flounder in the middle right there. See if something. You know what, I'm gonna try over there again first. I'm gonna go over there to that little pocket. See what's going on. Something hit it. Oh, looks like a nice trout. Let's go. Calm down, buddy. Promise I'll let you go. Check him out. Nice trout. Oh, let's see, you were not ready to come out the water, huh? Oh my God. You're making this hard for both of us. $16.5. Slide. Let's go. You swallowed that thing. All right, where to put my pliers? Let's go. Later. Tell your friends about us. Second fish. What was it, 16.5, I think? Don't remember. Okay, get this trout juice off my hand. Rub it on them legs. What I'm talking about. You have to be the fish. First step is smelling like one. I got a bass. All right. Look at that. Told y'all they were out here. Told y'all. That's crazy. This is my first year catching bass in brackish water. Everybody says they're out here. I never caught one, but there you go. Look at that. I don't even know if that's a good bass. Like I have no clue. I don't fish for this. Bro, don't look at me like that. Bye, buddy. I didn't want to fish you anyways. Let's go. That's something. What is it? A little redfish? Yeah, little redfish. Jeez, he stabbed me like a gaff top. Let's go, little redfish. Really? Yeah. Double up. All right, buddy. I gotta lower this seat so I can get some good releases. It's all right, they're getting released. All right, guys, that's about it. Been out here a few hours now with no bites. Slack tide, overcast, slow day. We caught a few, but man, I'm tired. It's time to go. Hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving. Have a strong work week. God bless y'all.